So, after my experience in the Mauritanian desert, I really needed something more chill and surrounded by lots of water. And what better way to do this than by camping right by a lake hidden in the Andes. We can go. So it's currently 7 in the morning. It's actually freezing cold, but we are on our way now. We are going to make a little trip up in nature, camp outside for one night by a lake. So this should be fun. Let's go. Oh no, the dog. No, you can't get out. So she has to hold the dog while I'm getting out, so the dog won't run behind us. Mira ahí, conejo. Hay muchos, hay muchos. So we're trying to find the house where the guide is living. It's all it's all an adventure to get there. But I think we arrived. I think this should be it. Yeah, I think this is the place. As my uncle told me, I have to follow until the sign comes. Todo vehículo para. There's the sign. Now you can read it. Todo vehículo para. Yeah. So this should be the place. Let's see if we can find this guy. Hola, buenos días. Did you come to say hello? Hi. Hi. This is Laura, by the way. As you see, I'm not doing this trip alone this time. So we have some company. Sí. Oh, here we go. Long time I didn't wear this backpack. Oh, this feels good. Listo? So we found our guy for today's ride. He's now preparing a horse because we have one horse to carry all our stuff and also to ride on it. Well, it's gonna be something new. I have ridden a horse before. Laura once, I guess, long time ago. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, we're excited to have a hike a little bit different.
Cuando llegue con esta piolita la deja amarrar en un roble, en un palo.
Ah, sí.
Sí, es pinchan, re fuerte, cuidado.
Sí. Pobrecita. La tienes todo aquí en el pelo.
Sí, se les caen solo así, yo les limpio, pero como hay tantas, ayer les limpié el moño.
Sí.
Hoy día, mire.
No pesa tanto, pero
Igual.
con el saco de dormir y todo.
Rienda siempre, cortita, école. Los chillos están medio cortos, no dan más.
Un poquitito
Le corto,
un poquitito más largo, sí.
Un poquito me da nomás.
Mantequilla. Qué bonita es.
¿Es mansita?
Sí. So it's going actually pretty good. Horse riding, not that difficult, well, at least not for me. I can remember a lot from the past. I still think I'm going by foot and let the horse just carry my backpack, or Laura if she wants to.
You do what backpack?
No. But it's a lot of fun, that's for sure. Funciona?
Gracias a la chucha soy yo.
So we changed things up a little. I feel a little that I'm too heavy with my backpack to be sitting on a horse. So she took over now. Dale con el, hace así, sí. Hop. Vamos. Ahí. Vamos. You can clearly see that we are very beginners. But yeah, we have company. The dog came with us. What a beautiful trip. Well, look at this view. There she is with the Chilean flag. Oh, we're in Chile, by the way. Haven't mentioned it yet, haven't I? But yeah, we are in the south of Chile, very close to the Argentinian border. I'm not too sure. I think behind this hill is Argentina. So yeah, bienvenidos a Chile. Oh, he's hungry. I feel so out of shape. I haven't been exercising a lot the past few months. But yeah, I'm gonna get back at it. So yeah. Can't wait to see the lake. It's actually not my first time at the lake. I was there many years ago as well. But yeah, I'm excited to go back there again. It's a very beautiful lake, of course. So yeah. Oh, it's such a beautiful forest here. Hey, dog's name is Chaplin. Chaplin waiting for us. It's the dog of the guide. He just followed us. Vamos. Hualalafken. That's the lake we're going. There she goes. Oh, look at all those beautiful flowers. Yeah, Chile is a beautiful place. I mean, look at this. Looks like a toilet. If you want to take a dump here. So we almost arrived. Do you see these beautiful trees? Oh my god, I almost fell down. These beautiful trees here. These are araucarias. They call them in Spanish. I don't know how you say them in English. But yeah, this tree, they have like a lot of little spines on it. It's very sharp and they grow very slow, very slow. But they're very beautiful. They grow, as you see, they grow very tall, and because they grow so slow, they can get up to 3,000 years old. It already feels like being in a Jurassic Park movie. So this lake where we're going now, Walalafken, it's not a very known lake, although all this region here is very touristic. This is like a hidden gem. So I guess we are probably going to be alone here. Look at this, it's very beautiful. Oh, why don't you focus? Here we go. So, and this peak there, this mountain, I think that's the border. On the other side is Argentina. What a beautiful place to be camping out here. Sí. Sí, está heladito. Ahora. Aquí dejamos esto. Ahí vamos. Oh, you did very good, Mantequilla. Mantequilla is the name of the horse. It's Spanish for butter.
Espera porque me quedo atada. Espérate.
So we went on a little hike. We are now hiking around the lake, through the forest, beautiful forest here, and yeah, just want to see what we can find here around the lake. Maybe a good camping spot. We haven't pitched our tent yet, and yeah, we have one problem though. I didn't bring a lighter, so I have nothing to light up the stove to cook, so we might have only our sandwiches that we made for dinner, which should have been our lunch, but yeah, we have to see that. Well, if you haven't seen my previous videos, you'd know that it's pretty typical for me to actually forget something important. Well, this time not as important as bringing water on a train through the Sahara Desert, but but yeah. Or I can just try to make fire myself. I think that could be something interesting. I might be even successful, I don't know, but I could give it a shot. Ooh, if I don't fall, of course. But yeah, man, what a beautiful place here. In any case, I'm having a good time here. So I think we found our place. No, what a beautiful sound that was. Well, that's gonna be our camp spot. It's well, we decided to choose this spot because it has a really good ground to pitch a tent. Otherwise it would have been just sand, or well, there is a little more green as well, but we found that if other people are coming, this would be like a little quieter place, so we decided to stay here. And I mean, it's absolutely gorgeous, just right by the lake. It's beautiful here. I found a really dry piece of wood and a stick. I have no idea if I'm doing this really right, but I'm gonna give it my best shot, and maybe, just maybe, there's a little hope that I'll be successful with that. Yeah. So I have been doing this now for a while, and my hands really hurt now. So I don't think I'm gonna get this fire done here. But yeah, I never done this before, so I have no practice. I only did what I saw in some bushcraft reels, where they show you how to make fire with everything. But yeah, the good thing is I don't have to anymore, because I got a lighter. Imagine, the park ranger gave another hiker who came up here to the lake, gave him a lighter. He had it delivered to me, so very kind of the park ranger. So shout out to you. Thanks a lot. Now I can cook without having to actually make fire with wood.
¿Y tú todo bien?
Nothing about good food in nature. Now we're gonna enjoy some tortillas, watch the sunset. Then I guess we're going for an early good night's sleep. So I guess I'll see you tomorrow. Good night. So here you see these fishermen. Oh, shoot. They use like this little boat. They can sit on it. I don't know how you call them in English, but you can see. And they use to like with their feet, so they have their hands free to fish. He's actually my uncle, and he's preparing now to go out and fish together with my cousin. He's already in the lake. Well, as you can see, I had to change to my GoPro because my other battery ran out of battery. There he's going. Que tengan un buen día.
Ciao.
Una buena pesca. This was a beautiful morning. We got surprised by my uncle and my cousin. We didn't expect them, but it was a nice surprise, of course. So yeah, we are now actually already packing up our stuff here. We just need to pack our tent, get everything ready, and then we're headed back down to my truck. Yeah, I'm sorry for the change of quality now, changing to my GoPro, but I don't know what happened to my other camera. The spare battery I brought was kind of not working, so failed on me. But yeah, that's and I didn't bring a cable to charge them. I have a power bank, but I didn't bring a cable, so yeah, I always forget something. Normal, huh? But yeah, so let's pack up now and get going. Para sacar toda la mierda. Eso sí. So we have all things packed up now. We are leaving Guadalafken behind. Beautiful lake, just by the Argentinian border. As a kid, I used to go fishing with my uncle, and we also used to use these little boats to float in the lake. And yeah, my uncle is all about fishing. It's his biggest passion. And mine not so much, but I still like to be out in nature, so I like to go with him, go camping and fishing. Yeah, but I remember one time we were on the lake. We were in the water like for 9 hours or something. It was so hot because the sun was burning, but he would not want to leave the water. He would want to continue fishing and fishing and fishing. And yeah, this was a tough day, but we were fishing a lot. I was catching all the time, so it was actually a great day. But yeah, my uncle also runs a little fishing business. He likes to do tours for tourism, fishing tourism. So if you're in the region of Pucón, Villarrica in Chile, and you want to go on an adventure, on a fishing adventure, he's probably the right guy for you. So now we are gonna head back the same way we came up. Laura is already ahead. She's faster than I am, without horses this time, but it's okay. We don't need actually horses. I can all carry by myself as well. And I like to walk, to be honest. That's why yesterday I also prefer to walk actually and leave my girlfriend with the horse. But I'm very excited. This was a fun day, fun night. Of course, it was very beautiful out here. I will definitely come back because I saw a mountain right there. I thought that might be a cool adventure to go and hike up this mountain because there are no official path going up there. So this might be a nice adventure to do. But I'm leaving this, of course, for another day. And this is just such a beautiful forest here. I really love this right now. So now going back to my truck, I'm leaving this video right here. I hope you liked this little trip, this little adventure, one night camping at a hidden lake in Chile. Stay tuned if you want to see more. Just hit the subscribe button and give it a like to push a little this video and this channel to get rolling. That will help me a lot, of course, and I would appreciate that. And yeah, I hope I will see you the next one. Goodbye. So much dust walking here.